Hello all, welcome back. So today we will see another interview question. So this is around break and continue statements. So for that I will create a new class and let's call it as break continue demo. So in this case uh, I will write a code and we will have to see what will be the output of that particular snippet. So let's get started. I will initiate a for loop equals 1. Let's say I is less than equal to 10 I plus plus. If I equals 9, in that case continue. System.println the value of I. So let's try to run this and see the output. Okay, so you can see I will just copy the output over here in a notepad. So yeah, so now you can see what happened for the loop. So the loop will run from 1 to 10, but as soon as this condition is met, when the value of I becomes 9, what happens is that the loop just continues. So it skips the iteration for value of I equals 9 and then goes to 10. So that's the reason we didn't get 9 printed out over here. So and if we change it to break, so let's see what happens. Let me copy this output. So here what happened is that as soon as this particular condition is met, the value of I becomes 9, then the loop is breaked. So the loop terminates and the user comes out. So that's the reason it printed till 8 and didn't went further. But in the continue, it's the reverse, it's the opposite. So just one iteration is skipped, the rest is in according with the loop. So this is one of the interview questions which is frequently asked. So they will provide you this coding snippet and they will ask you to give them the output for this particular condition. So hopefully this video will help you guys out there. Thanks for watching this.